To design a Canva website that has multiple pages, let's come over to the create sign here and we'll go over to website. I'm just going to click on this blank website here. The first thing I like to do is to give my website a name. So this is my portfolio and I want it to have multiple pages. It can be any website, it can be a display website, whatever you want to do, it's possible with Canva. So I like to work with templates, but where possible I create from scratch. But this today we are going to be working with templates. So I'm going to click on this template options here and I will open up any of this templates to start choosing pages from. So if I open up this website page, you can see that it has multiple pages on it. You can see it has 5 pages. So I'm going to begin to add in. I think I like this one a lot. I'm going to add in any of this page that I want to use. So if I click on add page 1 here, you see it has beautifully added the sections of page 1 in my website. You can decide what you want to call the page 1, and to properly name this page 1, you want to hover around these 3 dots here and come over to, you see it has already given it a name as the home of our website, but if you want to change it to something else, it's pretty much changeable. So now that we have this, let's click in here to add in the second page. So if you look at the second page, we might choose another page to add in from here. I want to bring in page 3. So this is page 3 and it has added its sections into my website. You can see all the sections that it came with in the website. And if you click over this 3 dot again, you see this template you are working on already came with name for each of these pages. To add in a third page, you are going to click on this plus sign here and add another page. And we are going to come in here and select which page that vibes with what we want to add. I'm going to click on adding this page and I can choose to, you see, say FAQs. I can choose to give it a different name like contact us, and you can from here start to edit your designs. So you can duplicate the section and double tap on the text and click contact us. You begin to edit your website like so. So you see from here, let me just collapse this. We have 3 pages that we are working on. So the first one is our home. If I hover around it, you can see the home. The second one is our values and the third one is contact us. If you go to home, you can begin to edit every part of this, bring in your own elements. If you go into elements, you want to bring in under photos, let's go into photos. I want to bring in a different photo into this design. I'm just going to put this photo. You see it has replaced this photo beautifully. If I go to magic recommendation, you see I have recommendations of photos. I can choose to pull this one. You can actually change photos how you want it. You want to go through each part and edit it to be your own. If I pull this one, I've replaced the photo. If you want to delete a section, so let's click on this one. You see that this is a section. You don't want to use this part. You can pretty much just delete that section and that section is out. If I still want to delete another section, so if I click here, you see the section comes up, I can delete it. I've taken out that section. You begin to edit each pages of your website to suit your own need. Change the text by double tapping into the text box and putting in things. You can actually take things out. If we click on this, we can delete it out. And if we want to bring in our own stuff, say we want to bring in a form, we click on forms here. We'll go to business form because I like to choose from there, and you choose a form you want to use. You see it sitting beautifully here. You can now expand it and to fill out your design. So once you're happy customizing your website, it's now up to what you want it to be. It looks like what you would share to people. The next thing you want to do is to publish your website. But before you do that, let's go and preview our website and see what it looks like. From the preview menu here, you can see that 3 pages we've added. You can see our home. you can see our values and you can see our contact us. So if I click on values, you see it takes us into a different new page, and when we scroll we have a different new page. And if we click on contact us, you have a different page for that. So you see the multi-pages website here begins to show. And if we go over to mobile, it's the same thing. You can navigate your own website too from the mobile. Also, you can navigate it and see what comes up. And once you're happy with how your preview looks and you want to share this website, let's click on close. You want to publish your website, you're going to click on publish website here. You can see my site URL is already here, and you can see it's slash the title I added here, my portfolio, grow with Rachel dot my Canva site slash my portfolio. You can click on this pen icon to edit it further if you want it to have a different ending. And if you want to get a new domain, you can do it from here. And if you want to do some settings, to see the settings are already up on this website, you can see it from here. You can also go into page settings and see your pages that you have. And if you come here, you can make it visible on search engines. You can password protect the website. You can also keep a social media link preview. When you post it on social media, it brings out a link preview of how your website looks. And once you're happy with all the settings, you want to click on publish, and it's preparing your design, getting it ready to be published. And you can visit your website here. You can customize your domain. Your website is now live, and if you go to this website here, you will see that our website is now live. You can now copy your link from here and distribute it however you please.